He is working on his 3G practice test using a 7018 332nd rod. We're running about 85 amps, I believe. About 85 amps with the 332nd. He's getting it in, fam. He's on this last stage. Look at that, boy. You already see his pilling, so you know he dropped a good bead on that one. Woo! When you see it peel like that, you know you ran a good one. All right, look like he probably got 2-3 more passes. We're gonna check him out as we get it in. Just remember, fam, just be patient. As you run beads and you tie them in, all you're doing is transferring that knowledge from just running beads to the test plate. And actually, the test plate is actually easier because it got a groove in the center. And all you have to do is stay up in the groove, and you don't want to eat up that side wall. That way, when it's time for you to do your cap, you can't see your line. So just prepare each weld. Like as you drop one, kind of prepare it for your next weld. Someone asked me how many passes do it typically take. I would say it typically takes around between 8 to 9 passes. Depends on how slow you're going, or depends on if you're running a root and a hot pass. If you're running a root and then a hot pass over that, then it probably takes you about, on the smaller end, 6 to 7. But on the greater end, probably 8 to 9 to 10 passes. Depends on how fast you go. Sometimes we can run fast and run a small stringer bead, and that makes us have to go back and run another one. So take your time, get you a good bead profile, and everything will be okay. Make sure you're comfortable. You see he got his stance. You can check out what he's doing. He got a 90-degree angle. And just remember, don't even think test when you're doing it either, family. Just, hey, it's just another day, walk in the park. Just another walk in the park, family. And also remember, cleanliness is next to godliness. Every time you finish welding, make sure you clean it. Make sure all the slag is out of it. Make sure all the imperfections is gone. And if you are able to use a grinder, take advantage of it and use the cutting wheel to run down the sides of your weld if you need to get the slag out, if you got some slag inclusions. But if you're not able to use a grinder, take your time, be comfortable, because on the D1.5 test, you can only use a chip and hammer, your regular hand brush, and a scraper to clean the side of the slab. So, it's all based on skill. That test is a skill test. So if you're doing regular construction, the D1.1, they allow you to use the grinder and everything while you take the test. Now, you can use the grinder in the field after you pass the D1.5, but while you're taking it, you can't use it. So they want more raw steel. Let's get it in, fam. I love to tell the students, having them fine-tune their stick welding process makes it completely easy when they dive over into the MIG and flux. The next process after he finishes plate tests, which is the vertical up and overhead, then they'll dive into flux core and then MIG. In this program, we teach a 16-week course. Flux, MIG, and stick, the introduction to TIG, how to use the plasma torch and the cutting torch, and then you get your OSHA 10. The whole focus of this program is to help people gain fast track employment, to get them right back out there making money. So give yourself a raise, family. My last student sent me a video. He's actually working good in Little Rock, Arkansas, making $19 plus, loving what he do, and just gaining more experience. And he told me today that his goal is to put his years in and become a good instructor, so that way he can teach other man the trade as well. So, you know, we got to each one teach some, family, because we behind. So, hey, the best thing to do once you get the skill and you critique it, you can teach it to others. You can help others grow. But I will say this, everybody isn't a teacher. You got to have the spirit and the patience to do it. But if you have it and it's in you, hey, dive into it, family, because there's many young men and adults out here that need a better career, that want to dive into the welding field to change their lives, family. Most people in Arkansas are on minimum wage right now, about $11. And he finished the welding program after 16 weeks and went from $11 to $19. That's a game changer, family. That's a game changer. And you can do the same. Woo! Learned it. So the main thing to do, family, is just to have patience. Take advantage of the course. Take advantage of the course. And let me show it to you. This is the main thing that we're going to be teaching. We're going to be teaching you these two processes, or three processes. MIG and flux is actually the same. It's just two different wires and two different type of gas, but it's the same setup. And then we're going to teach you how to stick weld in all positions. That's the goal. I want you to be sufficient with it. We teach you how to weld in these four positions, family. But we're only going to test you in the 3G and the 4G. But we're gonna have you welding in all positions. That way you can get the craft and really get it down. Welding can change your life, family, but you got to start. You got to get started. Okay, so what I would say, it ain't too bad. You good over here. I don't see no undercut, but right here you got a little bit. So run one more right here. You see how you still got that line here? Yeah. Run one more right there, and that'll be a good tie-in. And we'll call it quits. He's doing well, fam. Like I say, this is a practice test, and the whole concept is to get them used to running testers and running string of these. So you see how you just got this little piece over here? Mm-hmm. Tie that in, and I believe you'll be good. So in the practice test, we just have them tack it up here, but when it's time to take the test, we'll throw it in our test stand by Triangle Engineering. This is a very, very nice setup. Got to give them a shout out for sending us this. But y'all, just in case you want you one, check them out, check them out. Very, very nice unit, family. I really like it. Especially for someone that's gonna be teaching, doing tests, or getting the student engaged so that way they can be able to work in all positions. That's a good stand. And it also keeps the plate from folding up. I really like it. They got it for pipe. They got a positioner for pipe and structural. We do structural here, so we didn't need the pipe part. So we just got the rest of the hookup, but it comes with different parts on it. Good, man. Now I just clean it up, and like I say, now you know the goal. So yeah, Tuesday when we come back, you can do a couple stringers to get you into your groove, and then we can dive into the test. Once you warm up, you say, all right, I'm ready.
I'm ready.
You ready? Oh yeah, I know you ready. You know what I'm saying? I know you ready. He got it, fam. So how you feel about it? How you feel about it? So would you recommend anybody to this class, man?
Oh yeah, for sure. For sure. Hey, it be your best move.
You heard what he said, man.
Move.
You heard what he said. And we out, fam. Hold on.